Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to measure a lithium battery by using your meter. You see, this one is partial good. All right, this one is to make sure that your lithium battery is working fine. You set your meter to DC mode. Make sure you set your meter to DC mode before reading it. Wow, perfect. Is okay. This one is very okay. It must give you a sign that the voltage is reading before using it. So these are the signs, and all right, this one is good. Is good. All right. So it does for you to make sure that the battery reading is very good. No, this is not good. You see, it still give you the same 0%. This battery is damaged completely. This is not good also. The same 0%. The battery also is damaged. Also is damaged. It's not useful again. Let me try this. Oh, almost the same. The same. This cannot work. It can't work. It can't work. So let me just try this. Let's try this. No. It can't work. This is 0%. Oh yeah, this can work. 3 volts. Wow, wonderful. This can work. So I would like you to like and share and comment. Get it? So thanks so much for watching.